YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me today. So happy New Year, everybody. I think I have about one more day where I'm allowed to say that, and then it's like, okay, we're 2 weeks into the new year, cut it out. But since I haven't seen you all, I just want to say happy New Year. And I know how the new year is a time to like refresh, restart. Some people are into resolutions, some people aren't. This is not exactly a New Year's resolution. It's just like a restart. So one of the best ways I think to do that is to start with a clean, clear work area, whether it be your whole office or if you just have a desk. To start the new year with a clean, clear, organized desk will help you think more clearly and concentrate and have just a better organized workday. Now, I don't know what time of day you're watching this, but if it's afternoon, let's play a little drinking game. Let's count for the remainder of this video how many times I say the words clean and clear. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. So I have 3 tips I want to share with you. And the first one is step 1 is to clear the entire environment. Clear away everything that's on your desk or on the surface. And that if you can, even move away your computer, your printer, large equipment, things like that. Clear it all off of the desk, make the surface as clear as possible. The second step is to then clean your desk or your work area, wipe it clean. I used a basic, Windex multi-surface cleaner. You could use whatever you want. There's a million things on the market if you like organic stuff, if you, don't mind the chemically stuff, whatever the case may be. If you just want soap and water, go for it. Clean down your work area. And then the third step is to bring everything back, but only the things that you need, not the nonsense, I had like nail polish. I had like 4 different nail polishes on my desk. I don't know why. Bring back the essentials. You put back your computer, you put back your printer. I have a few paper clips. I changed out my lighting. I'm really into scents and smells. I feel like they really set the mood. So in my office, I have a diffuser, and during the morning, I usually use like some sort of orange essential oil, which is supposed to give you energy. But whatever you can do to set the mood, to make you think more clearly, be more productive, those are the kinds of things that you should do. And those are the kinds of things that I want you to bring back into your space. And so that's my tip for the new year, to start with a clean and clear environment so you can think more clearly and be more productive and start planning for the rest of the new year. Thanks for joining me today. One more thing before I go. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and I'll be back next week with some more organizational tips, design hints, and chit chat. See you next time. Bye-bye.